Hello everyone. Right now we're heading to a grocery store to get some staples. Yes, I'm actually walking up the hill to get my car because I parked too far. And my driveway, there's so many cars there, so I cannot park there yesterday. Okay, so I just got back from grocery shopping. I bought some parsley flakes. Then I started to mince the garlic, 2 to 3 cloves. I washed the mushrooms, rinse it with lukewarm water. Then I boiled the water and added the spaghetti, then adding the salt for 5 to 9 minutes. Then I marinated the prawns with salt and pepper. Then I have this pan, added some olive oil, then garlic prawns, mushroom spaghetti, and pesto sauce. Then you would get something like this after you stir it well enough. And then finally, you can prep it into 3 different containers. Hi guys, so this is my first cooking video on my YouTube channel. It's not the best version yet, but I hope to improve in the near future. Thank you for watching and see you next time.